Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're new to TD Bank mobile banking, signing up only takes a few minutes. First of all, open the TD Bank mobile app and then tap sign up or enroll. Then you're going to choose whether you are using a personal small business or a personal and small business account. Then go ahead and put in all of the needed credentials. After you do that, enter your personal details, including your social security number, account number, date of birth. Then create a username and password that you will remember. After that, choose how you want to receive security codes for verification. Once completed, you're going to confirm your details and finish the enrollment processes. After signing up, you can log in and start using TD Mobile Banking immediately, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.